Alright, so we're gonna do a thing. And it's gonna be great. It's gonna involve that hood and some spray paint. And then we're also gonna make some t-shirts, well, just for like me and the wife real quick. She wants one, so. And then I'm gonna make one for me. So I'm gonna make one in black, and then probably do black with hot pink, because we ain't fucking around. So yeah, hopefully those turned out good. And yeah, we're gonna make those in this episode. We're gonna do something that is amazing to that hood. So let's do that. Alright, hood's off. Whoa, what are you doing, autofocus? Okay, hood's off. Down here, we got it prepped. And then we just painted this shirt. I'm not liking the colored paint because it takes a whole fucking can to do one, I'm pretty sure. But hopefully it'll look good. And now I'm gonna do that. And so yeah, we got some red, white, and blue. So you can only imagine what I'm about to do. I was trying to tape it for like to make it, but wasn't working so good. So we're just gonna send it, and I'm gonna make it by freehand. So we're gonna do the stars and shit up there. So let's make this happen. All right, well, there's where we're at so far, and I fucked that one up, so that kind of sucks. But yeah. So we'll let this dry, and then I'll put down another coat. So this is how it'll look when it's up. So looks pretty badass. But yeah, let's let it dry. Well, it's not the greatest thing, but it turned out. I like it. So, but yeah, kind of wish I didn't fucking get that stuff on there, but hopefully maybe I can get it off or something. But yeah, turns out pretty cool. All right, I think that's probably gonna be the last of my layers. So unplug it here. It looks pretty good. I don't want perfection, so, but yeah, it's not bad. So now all we gotta do is a couple stars. And then I fixed the wife's shirt. It actually looked pretty good after. And right now I'm trying a white on gray. And then I also did another black one, so. But yeah, we'll keep going. I got to cut out a star stencil, and then we should hopefully be able to finish this up. And then I can kind of store it up front and then pull the car in and then let it sit overnight. But yeah, we finish this one up and we can check them out. Well, there it is. Doesn't look too half bad. Yeah, looks pretty good. I might actually fix this line right here. But yeah, so now I'll just have to fix that line real quick, move it over here, we'll be good to go. And then I'll actually probably pull all the tape and all that stuff off, so that way that's all done. But yeah, turned out pretty sweet. So let's do that. Alright, got all the tape off. So now we'll just probably just pick it up, bring it over here, we'll lean it up over here, and then we'll pull the Fiero in. So let's do that. Alright, there it is. Got leaned up. That looks pretty fucking badass. So, yeah. Now we just gotta pull it in. Look at that. Got a America hood on my floor. So let's get it pulled in. Alright. Those turned out pretty sweet. So, yeah. See you tomorrow when we can put the hood back on. Well, if that's not the most badass thing you ever seen in your life, I don't know what to tell you. Probably could have painted those guys too, but I figured not. Yeah, looks pretty badass. Turned out pretty cool. Yeah. Okay. So that's gonna be it for this one, guys. So like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next one.